Hi, Saint Angler here, and I'm gonna take a quick review of one of my vintage reel that I kept for what, 7 to 8 years, and it's a Bass Pro reel, and it's a PROLITE, a PR05 high-speed bearing, and yeah, binili ko to sa Angler Corner Shop PH. Tagal na. And hindi ko na maalala kung sino yung napagbilhan ko. Sir, if somehow makita mo yung video na to, alive pa yung reel niya. Talagang I kept my promise na aalagaan ko siya. And I really like this reel. And dami na ring nadaling dalag to. Hindi dalaga kundi dalag. So yun, smooth pa rin. Still mahigpit pa rin ang drag. So like it. Still working. Kita nyo naman gano'n ka smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna test it, you know. Still waiting for my bait casting rod to arrive. So tight lines, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching.